So, fellas, okay, so this is gonna be a quick one. And right out of market open, we dumped pretty hard, I think. Wait, hold on. No, sorry. We went up. Yesterday we dumped. So we went up pretty hard and then we took out, I believe this was, what was that? Oh, that's just a high that I marked out. Yeah, let's get this indicator on real quick. Okay, so I was personally looking for previous day high to get swept off of market open, and then I was going to short. I was kind of bullish for the day for my bias, but I don't know, my bias kind of seems to change just based on price and what it's doing. Like if it took previous day high, obviously there's a lot of liquidity there, and I could see it going down. Um, this one right here, I did not want to short just because we did not take previous day high, but it wasn't obviously a pretty good short in hindsight. This one down here, I waited for this 5 minute to get taken, the 5 minute inverse right here, and eventually took it after that. But we were all the way up here, so it was kind of a sketchy trade, but it did end up playing out. One of the guys in the Discord, he did take this 1 minute right here and went long on it. I didn't do it just because we had equal lows on NQ1, not micros. So I didn't take it just because of that. But once we kind of faded that, I was like, okay, that makes sense that we can go ahead and take the long. And I also did hear that with the 1 minute fair value gap right here next to it, and once we inverse this, then it does invalidate those. But I'm not sure. So I just stay away from equal lows, equal highs if I'm going the other way. This was the trade for the day. We did take a break even right here. It didn't take very long to get to that. And once we did hit that, I was out at break even for I think it was like a $50 gain. And then I set my stop loss just above full break even, just because I did not want to lose any profits on the week and possibly have a red day. So we were fully out there and just kind of waited around, and nothing else really happened. But yeah, there was also this one right here. I didn't get in just because we did fade the 5 minute fair value gap. Right. Well, hold on. We invalidated. What was it? Yeah, we invalidated the. Okay, hold on. What are we doing here? Where was the 5 minute? Well, we faded something here, and it was risky just doing that. I didn't want to get back in just because there was no like significant liquidity sweep. That's why I was kind of sketched by this one because we didn't really sweep anything here. But we did have a like bullshit internal SMT on this. So I figured, let's just take it. Um, but yeah, this ended up hitting full TP at the very end, taking out AM highs. I was looking for, I guess that's actually previous day high. AM highs was like right here where my cursor is, this line. So it did take out full TP at the end. My psychology, I was kind of nervous in the trade when we first entered just because there was no significant sweep of liquidity. I usually like to see, for example, kind of what I was saying earlier with the previous day high. If this got taken out and then you got an inverse, then I would expect that to go down, uh, kind of like this whole situation right here. But we didn't take anything like that, so I stayed out of this. And this one I took, I'd say it was probably like a B plus trade. Um, Not my greatest, proudest moment, but we still did profit a little bit and got out with a win. Um, Waited for another setup for the rest of the day. Didn't really find anything that I wanted, and after the macro, I was kind of done. So we are currently up $55.28 on the day, making this week our first green week on the funded account. We still are in eval, and I am looking for another like $2,200 because our total amount on the account is $50,817.80. Um, but yeah, guys, join the Discord. It's in the description. I don't live trade or anything like that. It's just kind of a place to bounce ideas off. I was talking to LM Trade almost all morning, and we kind of bounced some ideas off each other. Looking out, like I told him about the equal lows, and um, he was a little hesitant on that, and then took it off of I think the 3 minute here or the 1 minute. I'm not sure. But if you want to see kind of our little recaps and our journals, it's in there as well. But yeah, guys, we'd love to have you in the Discord. I'm not charging anything, and go ahead and join up. Enjoy the weekend. Hopefully, you guys did good, maybe a little better than me. But yeah, I'll see y'all on Monday probably. Let's actually go to the calendar and see what's going on for Monday. January 4th, 5th, and 6th. We got more PMI at 8:45 on Monday. So not a no news Monday. Thank God. I hate no news Mondays. And it looks like we have lots of news next week, which is great. I love news. So I used to hate news, but I like it now because it gives more all year. But yeah, guys, first green week and awesome green first like 3 days or whatever of the new year, all green. Love to see it. Join up Discord, whatever, and enjoy the weekend. I'll talk to you guys Monday.